Today's active shoutout goes to Quack Coolboy YouTube 1. So this is the guy who has been commenting on my channel for a little while now, which is why he received this free shoutout. If you guys want to win a free shoutout on your channel, all you have to do is be active in the comment section, stay liking, and stay subscribed. Go ahead and check him out. I'll leave a link for him down below. Guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TechnoTrend back here again with another one. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Call of Duty Mobile on your iOS device. I did have some trouble getting it because of my 16GB iPhone, so if that's going to be an issue, guys, please be sure to watch some of my older videos like eye cleaners and all those things to clean your iPhones and to make them have more space and stuff like that. Please make sure to have enough space. You guys will need around 2GB or more to install this application. But yeah, here we go, guys. Let's get straight into it. Please subscribe to my second channel. You guys check it out. It's really funny and I do a lot of funny jokes, challenges, and all that cool stuff. So please go check it out and check out my social medias down below. So first thing what you guys want to do is go ahead and get these two applications called OpenVPN and OVPN Spider. Now their links will be in the description to go ahead and check them out. They'll be right there for you. Obviously they're from the App Store and they are completely free. I'm not asking you to pay for any of them. This entire tutorial is free. So let's go into OpenVPN first. Now you guys will end up with a US version. These are US it's gonna pop up for you US VPN servers. So what you're gonna do is click the little plus on the side, so it's right here. Click plus and look up Australia. So Australia. Okay, there it is. Not Austria, Australia. Make sure it has an L in it if you guys don't know the difference. Now what we're looking for here is the smallest amount of ping. Now if you guys don't know what ping is, the ping is on the side right here. It says ping. What you guys are looking for is the smallest, meaning it will work best in terms of speed and connectivity. 12 ms, so 12 ms is the smallest one, so I'm going to go for that one. Now you guys will see here it says copy to OpenVPN. Now again, make sure you have both of these installed or else that option will not appear. So click copy to OpenVPN, then it'll say would you like to add it, and it will say please add this VPN to your settings, this and this. Just click OK. Trust me, you're fine. There's nothing weird about it. Click add, and what you guys want to do is go to the one that you added, tap it, and it'll basically turn on your VPN. Now you guys will need this to launch the application. You will not need it to install the application, but I'm just going to show you this process first before we get into the next step. Now you guys can see on top the VPN is officially connected, but for now I will turn it off since the speeds are going to be different. So what you guys want to do is go straight to settings. Next step, what you guys want to do is go straight to the App Store. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing our location and region. You guys can copy these steps and you can copy the address and you can copy everything I do. So trust me, follow these steps and you will be good to go. So click the little icon which should be here, tap it, and you will go to your account. Once you're here, what you guys want to do is go to the account that's right here, says my name on it, tap it, then it's gonna ask you to sign in. Now for some reason this process takes a little while to sign in and change stuff, so I'm not sure what's up with that, but I'm guessing it's Apple's servers and stuff like that, so just stick with it. So next what you guys want to do is go to country and region. You're gonna have to change something. Now it says change your country or region. Now what you guys want to do is go down to you see Australia. Now Australia is very close to the top, so just go ahead and click that, click agree, and we're gonna be changing some stuff. So now that we're there, you don't have to click credit card or none of that. Just click none, guys. That's what you guys gonna do. Click none. Next, what you guys need to do is add the street address. So make sure you copy every single thing. All right, guys. Once you guys have all this information down, all you have to do is click next, and you should be on to the next step of this tutorial. And your App Store will completely refresh, and it might change the applications and types of things that you will see, but trust me, it's exactly the same. Now, next, what you guys want to do is click search and go to Call of Duty Mobile. Again, make sure you're not on your VPN right now because VPNs are kind of slow sometimes, so only use the VPN when you're on the game itself. So here's Call of Duty Mobile, click install. To go back and change everything, make sure to do the reverse process of the steps I showed you. Go to US, change it to your regular street and everything just to go back to a US App Store. And to make sure to do that, I'm gonna leave that in the description and the comment section below just so you guys don't forget. But if you guys want to go back to a US App Store, that's how you're going to do it. Alright guys, so next what we're going to do is turn on our VPN. Now go to the OpenVPN. Since we already have a VPN network ready for us, go ahead and click turn on, which is the little on button. And then next what you want to do is make sure you guys see the little VPN on right there. Then go ahead into Call of Duty. Alright guys, and that's basically it for this tutorial. You guys will be able to load the match. You guys will be able to go into all the little levels and modes that they have for you guys. Just make sure you're on this VPN in order to play the game. If you don't have the VPN on in Australia, it will not let you open the app. It'll actually keep crashing and it'll keep trying to persuade you not to enter the app. It will not let you at all, just to let you guys know that. But again, if you have any questions, leave them for me down in the comment section below. I would love to answer all your comments and leave some constructive criticism for me as well. Have a great day, guys. Stay tuned for more. Make sure to follow all these social medias, and I'll see you guys in the next one.